Hi, this is Felipe from UserGuiding. In this video, I'll walk you through the click actions you can set for custom buttons and explore how to utilize them. When adding a custom button to a guide step or a hotspot, you have several click action options. The first one is Go to URL. This option redirects the end user to a specific URL. You can also choose to load the URL in a new tab for seamless navigation. In a product tour, you can use the Go to URL action to direct users to a relevant page on your website for more information about a feature. Next, we have the Run JavaScript click action. This action allows you to execute a custom JavaScript code snippet by clicking the button. You can use any of the commands included in the UG JavaScript API to execute actions, such as launching a resource center, or run your own JS commands. One of the most common use cases for this is opening a chatbot for your users to interact with. You can also use the Go to Next, Previous, Custom Step action to guide the user to a certain step. In a multipath guide, you can use this click action to refer your users to different steps based on their chosen path. If you want to end the guide altogether, you can use the End Guide action, which closes the current guide window just like clicking on the X icon. When users have completed a tutorial, you can use the End Guide action to gracefully close the guide and allow them to continue using the application. Another helpful action is Trigger a Guide. This option not only closes the current guide, but also triggers another guide to start. In a comprehensive onboarding experience, you can use Trigger a Guide to seamlessly transition users from one guided tour to another, providing them a holistic understanding of your product or service. For hotspots, you can use the Close Hotspot action to close the current hotspot, mimicking the behavior of clicking on the X icon. In a help documentation, you can use Close the Hotspots to allow users to dismiss additional information overlays and focus on the main content. Additionally, there's the Dismiss Hotspot action, which works exactly like the Hotspot's Dismiss option, allowing the users to dismiss the hotspot without interacting with it. When users are familiar with the content presented in a hotspot, you can provide them with the option to dismiss it without any further interaction, keeping their focus on the main interface. Lastly, you can use the Copy to Clipboard action to copy the provided text to the user's clipboard for easy access. You can use this during campaigns, for discounts, or activation codes. I hope this was helpful.